Hi everyone, welcome to the Orchard Centre in Quarte Bornes. It's a mall, let's go check it out. What are you doing? Get going past. So, this is Orchard Centre shopping mall. It actually has quite a few floors above me, as you can see. Also there's a guy singing, 3 levels, guy singing. It looks like a Jumbo Express there, so it's probably a small Jumbo. But there's lots of clothing and things. Oh wait, there's an Island Haze. So we have an Island Haze, so here's a proper mall. Orchard Centre Mall, Island Haze. This is bling in colours. It's got bling in all sorts of colours. And lots of hair things, but Ricky should be doing that.
Jewelers. And the choice of today's woman. Today woman. Brian checking out the
new tripods. But look at this, look at this. You can see if it's level.
Oh wow, that's way too advanced. And it's 1,200 rupees. That's pretty
it's
cool.
really light as well. So it does go on for quite a while. I mean, the Jumbo's all the way back there and we've been walking for quite a while now. Oh, Ricky's optician. He also got a shop here. Must teleport between them. But it is a Sunday, so some of the shops are closed, which I find a little bit weird because there are so many people out and about. But all these guys are doing well. There's a lot of business for the guys who actually are open. Oh, and actually, there's a second entrance over here. So you can, if you're coming from the roadside, come from that side or the other side, or from the parking. Fashion Bazaar. They're popping up like manjus. This is Cash and Take. They rebranded from something like Cash and Carry. But they got their new brand. Bring cash and take. Right next to the Galaxy, in the second entrance, is the only up escalator. All the others are down or you have to take stairs. Or the lift if it's working. But up we go. Tripod time. This is Sushi Park, which is like a conveyor belt. They have a conveyor belt if sushi just comes around. You grab one and it's like 90 rupees, but you stack your little plates up and that's how much you pay. Or you can sit it in order, I think. Actually, this is a pretty cool feature. And obviously the one facing that way. But I'll sit on this one. Oh, weary legs. But cool that they have one here. Ricky's getting the view. Hip Hop World. Genuinely. And I actually saw someone said the Lakers were being sponsored by Wish. Wish, you know, Wish. Wish sponsoring the Lakers. And another hip hop thing and another 3 stripes for life. Oh, that's Ricky. I didn't recognize her. I thought she was hip hop.
The shop is called Guys and Dolls and they actually have some pretty trendy clothing. Okay, and the shirts and shorts are like from 70 rupees, so that's cool.
Check out the NASA thing.
Look at that out. You could totally wear that to the American diner just across the road. Kind of trendy clothing. I mean, like braces and stuff. Awesome.
How awesome is this? American Cafe, and it looks just like an American diner. Hey, that's pretty cool. It's got the boots and it's got the American style boots there. I'll show you. Let's go in and have a look. Oh man, it is just like a proper American diner. The bar with the seating at the booths and the beautiful booth. And wait for it. Mirror. It's a massive mirror. Look, it's a huge mirror. You can see me the whole way through. You can probably even see Ricky down there. Oh, cool. What an awesome place. Everyone, this is Naveen. He's the owner. And look at, he's got the shiny bit behind him as well. That is so cool. Well, it is an American diner, but they're doing a lot of Mauritian food. And occasionally, they have the barbecue. So they got the barbecue. Right here, you can come and get the barbecue. Sit in your booth and enjoy barbecue food.
It's a very cool
place.
Thank you. Wow, lots of special offers that you can get at the Oasis Centre. There's probably some great clothes in there. Brian meeting all his fans. This on Facebook.
So this is a watch shop. I mean, watches, we haven't actually done much on watches, but it's just a deliberate watch shop. They just sell watches and maybe a few belts and Parker pens, but they have all the new iPhone watches and everything. It's very cool. Never been into a watch shop. Oh, there's some more watches here, but you're like an exclusive watch shop.
My Fair Lady, the Royal Kingdom. Look how beautiful that store looks. And at the moment, like buy one, get one free. Wow, even with the matching mask, that is so awesome. Stunning. And the guys' outfits. What a gorgeous shop.
Are all body and souls this fancy? I don't remember them looking this good.
No, they always have the model.
They always have the model, but have this whole shelf of stuff. It's not normally like this, is it?
It is.
Apparently it is. Wow, I must pay more attention.
And they're all color coordinates.
That's the jumbo next to the lift with a Calichan as well. So there you go.
Kind of creepy. Actually like motorbike stuff, including awesome boots.
This is called Clothing. It's one of those trendy shops.
Christian Dior.
Christian Dior. Okay, so it is a very trendy shop. Maybe it's a Dior shop.
Oh wow, the lift actually works. That means Brian's going to want me to go in it. And it
We're
looks
going
a
in the
bit-
lift, Rick.
Yeah.
For all you Halloween buffs and Stephen King fans, red rum. Guess what that spells backwards? Ha ha! Halloween!
And there's a Calichan that has like motorbikes inside the shopping mall.
How do they get them out?
I don't know. I suppose
Wait,
you
the lift's coming, the lift's
drive them
coming.
out. It's not your thing, it's the lift that's murky.
The lift has arrived. Oh, it wasn't my... Have a look at this. Push the button, Rick. Let's go up. Two. So we're going up, everyone. Closing behind us. Are we moving? We're moving. I'm turning you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Up. Up. I hardly feel scared at all.
It's like a, yeah. Feels like a lift built in the 80s.
Oh, no, stop moving. It's still moving. Actually, it's not. It's just like a lift experience, everyone. Except you get to see them all as you go past. And you know what? You have to walk upstairs to get to the next level. Now we're on the top level. We're going to have to go check it all out. Ricky has a point. Are there any malls in Mauritius that are more than 3 floors? Or 3 floors? Is this the only one? It's a long way down there. So ground 1 and 2. Let us know.
Yeah, back at doesn't. They're like single floor.
Yeah. And the only others are the suppies, which are double story.
Single floor, Sippy's 2 stories,
Yeah. 3 stories. Winner,
Wow.
winner. Orchard Centre dinner.
The roof area at the top floor is actually pretty amazing because it lets in so much light.
It really is. I think there should be more shops up here. I just don't think people come up. They need more way of getting people up.
There's not a lot of escalators up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 3rd floor seems to have quite a lot of sari shops and plants and stuff, which is quite cool. Yeah, it is kind of weird on this 2nd floor, I suppose. There's not a lot of shops open, and the ones that are like having closing down sales. Whereas the bottom floor and the 1st floor are pumping.
Maybe it just needs a bit more tourist money trickling back down through here. Or maybe 3 floors doesn't work. Maybe it just people are too lazy to go all the way up to the top floor.
There are some pretty cool stores up here though on the top floor. Some great deals. The store's called Old West. And it's pretty cool. We've got some like semi-cowboy gear.
So if you're looking for the toilets, you got the lift there, the glass lift there. And then you want to look for this alley here. Down this alley, it's not marked anywhere. You're just going to have to keep going down here. And then literally where it says exit, keep going, keep going. Keep going, guys. It is the exit, but here we are. Free public toilets, all the way at the exit. So easy to find, but it's not signposted. You just have to come down this alley. Well, just beyond the toilets, which are right there, is the parking. So if you can find a parking quite close to this area, you're right in.
Yeah, we always come and park at Orchard Centre because it's free. And if you come all the way up to the top, you'll normally find a parking close to that entrance to this shopping mall.
Orchard Mall, it really feels like it's on the up and up, except for the top floor, which is on the up, but not on the up and up. But anyway, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Up and up, what was that?